I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX.
Hey everybody. So let's say you're stuck in a situation where you're trying to add a user account to a Windows 10 computer, and you go into the PC settings, and you go to the accounts menu, and you go to add an account, and nothing happens. So, for example, we're in settings. So I'll replicate everything. So we go to settings, accounts, family and other users, and you go to add someone else. Nothing. You briefly see a Microsoft account window pop up, and nothing other than that. So we're gonna try a workaround today. So we're gonna press Windows key R to get a run prompt. So Control space. My keyboard is acting a little weird here. Just bear with me here. User password 2. So Control space user passwords 2. Okay, so want to add a user account. Sign in without a Microsoft account. Local account. And we're going to go ahead and just create the account. So we're going to actually add a second one here. It's doing the same thing. Interesting. See what happens when I disconnect the Ethernet cable. It's kind of hard to set up a Microsoft account when you don't have internet access. It's really, really weird. Okay. Let's try it again. Okay, so I just had to restart the user accounts prompt thing again. We'll call this one setup. Next. Local account. You see this, it behaves differently when you don't have internet access, so my suggestion would be to disconnect the Ethernet cable or turn off Wi-Fi, and it goes a lot easier. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want those to be considered administrator. We want full administrator rights on all of these. Don't want them to be limited. So by default, it will set up as a standard or limited user. Okay, so all done. So if you're in a situation where you go to try to add someone and the window doesn't want to cooperate, that's a workaround. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Well everybody, that's it for this video, but don't forget there's a lot more interesting stuff on the channel to check out. Also, if this is your first time visiting this channel, feel free to subscribe to Cube Computer channel, and also don't forget to tick the bell so that way you'll get notified of new video posts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, but if you really didn't like it, there is the alternative option available as well. Also, feel free to check out my second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. There you'll find videos about bicycling, weather, elevator tours, and all sorts of other neat, interesting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to come back, and thank you for your support.